What is going on, guys? It's Joey here. I was going to do a quick review, kind of an update on one of my videos previously about my spoiler that I installed about probably 18 months ago. I know a bunch of you had a bunch of questions about it, like where I got it, how easy it was to install. I don't know if I did a very good job on the install video or not, but I'm going to show you kind of how it's held up over the past 18 months, and if you have any questions, let me know. See, I bought this spoiler off of eBay, and I can put the link in the description below. But as you can see, it's pretty sturdy still after 18 months, and you can see it's still ain't nothing wrong with it. I mean, obviously my car is dirty, but even when the screws when I put the screws in the sides and stuff, none of that is pulled away, none of that is loose. It's all still sturdy. I think a lot of that has to do with that Gorilla Tape that I put in there, in between there, and that has really helped hold the middle of this part down. Because I think this particular spoiler is only bolted down on the edges, so that's why I had to put that Gorilla Tape in the middle. But I can't tell you how many times I've actually washed this car and nothing has even happened to it. Like, you can see, like, none of this, it's still rock solid all the way down. And I mean, I'm pretty happy with it. It's done a really good job. For 80 bucks, I think, on eBay, you can't really beat that. And I think it looks really good. I decided to go with the black because I think it looks good with the wheels, and it also goes good with the black stripes on the front. I kind of wanted to all have the accents a little bit better on this car, because the original spoiler was in fact body color. It was orange, and it didn't look as good, I don't think, as the black one does. And I also like this. You can see the dip here too, so I really like that. I think I know a bunch of you said I think it was SRT spoiler instead of the Hellcat spoiler, but you know, it's a little bit different than just the regular RT. But if you all have any questions about this, feel free to ask me in the comments. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Make sure you subscribe, and if you want me to do more videos like this, just let me know. Thanks. Sorry, one more thing I forgot to mention. When installing the spoiler, I know it's very important. You can see here these screws, they actually go into a piece of plastic that's inside here. The part where it's actually threaded in, they're self-tapping screws, so you really need to be careful when you tighten those up. If you over tighten them, you're going to strip out the plastic and your spoiler is going to be ruined. But if you do not tighten them as tight as they need to be, then they will vibrate loose, and they could potentially come out, causing your spoiler, the one side of it, to become loose. So just keep that in mind when you do put one of these on your car, that you make sure that you tighten these screws exactly how tight they're supposed to be. You just have to play with it and feel for it, but just make sure you don't go too tight either. All right, see y'all in the next one.